Hello everyone. Welcome to SAP HANA Administration Interview Questions and Answers Sessions by NextGen Technologies. SAP HANA is a popular in-memory database platform used by many organizations for managing their data. As a result, there is a high demand for professionals with SAP HANA administration skills. These positions are often well paid and offer a chance for career growth. If you are looking for a career in SAP HANA administration, knowing the interview questions can give you edge over other candidates. By demonstrating your knowledge and expertise, you can increase your chances of being selected for the job. This session covers the most commonly asked SAP HANA administration interview questions for both beginners and experienced. In the sessions we have discussed total 321 interview questions and answers. These questions are categorized into below unit. Unit 1 Introduction of SAP HANA. Unit 2 SAP HANA Database Architecture. Unit 3 SAP HANA Database Installation Preparations. Unit 4 SAP HANA Database Installation and Upgrade. Unit 5 SAP HANA Database Monitoring and Troubleshooting. Unit 6 SAP HANA Memory Management. Unit 7 SAP HANA Multitenant Database Container Architecture. Unit 8 SAP HANA Database Backup and Recovery. Unit 9 SAP HANA High Availability and Disaster Recovery. Unit 10 SAP HANA Cockpit. Let's start with interview questions and the answers related to the introduction of SAP HANA database. Question number 1. What is SAP HANA? Answer. SAP HANA stand for High Performance Analytic Appliance. SAP HANA is an in-memory, column-oriented, relational database management system developed and marketed by SAP organization. Its primary function as a database server is to store and retrieve data as requested by the applications. SAP HANA is an in-memory platform for doing real-time analytics and for developing and deploying the real-time applications. For on-premise deployment or installation, SAP HANA comes with Appliance Delivery Model or Tailored Data Center Integration (TDI) model. Question number 2. What are the two approaches SAP offers for deploying or installing SAP HANA database on-premise? Answer. SAP offers two approaches for deploying SAP HANA database on-premise. First approach is Appliance Delivery Model and second approach is Tailored Data Center Integration (TDI) Delivery Model. Question number 3. What is Appliance Delivery Model? Answer. The Appliance Delivery Model is all-in-one box approach. It is pre-configured software and hardware bundled by an SAP hardware partner. That means in Appliance Delivery Model, server hardware, operating system, SAP HANA database installation and maintenance are managed by SAP or SAP vendor or partner. Question number 4. What is Tailored Data Center Integration (TDI) Delivery Model? Answer. With Tailored Data Center Integration (TDI), customers can choose their preferred hardware vendor and infrastructure components. That means in Tailored Data Center Integration (TDI) approach, server hardware, operating system, SAP HANA database installation and maintenance are managed by customer. Question number 5. What is the requirement for SAP HANA TDI? Answer. The server must be certified and is listed in the SAP hardware directory. All storage devices must have successfully passed the hardware certification for SAP HANA. Question number 6. When SAP introduced SAP HANA TDI model in the market? Answer. SAP HANA TDI model was introduced in 2013 by SAP. Question number 7. What are the software feature introduced in SAP HANA database? Answer. Below software feature introduced in SAP HANA database. Row and column store. Compression. Partitioning. No aggregate tables. Insert only on delta. Question number 8. What is in-memory database? Answer. In-memory database means all the data is stored in the memory, whereas in a traditional database system, all data is stored in hard disk. There is no time waste in loading the data from hard disk to RAM. Everything is in memory all the time, which gives the CPU quick access to data for processing. Question number 9. What type of tables are available in SAP HANA database? Answer. The SAP HANA database support two types of tables, column store tables and row store tables. SAP HANA is optimized for column storage and this is the default table type. Question number 10. What is row store tables or row store database? Answer. In row store tables or row store database, it stores table records in a sequence of rows. It stored table records sequentially as row 1, row 2, row 3 and so on. It scans entire table to read the data. Traditional databases like Oracle, IBM DB2, MS SQL are row store database. Question number 11. What is column store tables or column store database? Answer. It stores table records in a sequence of columns. The SAP HANA in-memory database stores data in both row and column store tables. With the combination of both storage approaches that produces the speed, flexibility, and performance of the HANA database. Column store database is default option in HANA. Question number 12. What is difference between row store and column store database? Answer. Memory usage in row store table is higher whereas in column store table it is lower. In column store table compression ratio is good as compare the row store table. Transaction that is writing in row store table is faster whereas in column store table it is slower. Analytics that is reading in row store table is slow whereas in column store table it is fast. Question number 13. How many maximum records can store in HANA table? Answer. Maximum to billions records HANA table can be stored. Question number 14. What you will do if table records are reaching to maximum to billions capacity? Answer. We can consider to perform data cleaning or data archive or create the table partitions. Question number 15. How much records we can store in partition tables? Answer. Each partition can store up to 2 billions records. For example, if single table has 4 partitions, then we can store up to 8 billions records in the partition table. Question number 16. Which operating system are supported by SAP HANA Database Server? Answer. SAP HANA Database Server supported only on SUSE Linux and Red Hat Linux Server. That means SAP HANA Database is only installed on SUSE Linux and Red Hat Linux Server. Question number 17. Is HANA a platform as a service or software as a service? Answer. SAP S/4HANA Cloud is software as a service. SAP HANA Cloud Platform is platform as a service. SAP HANA Enterprise Cloud is infrastructure as a service. SAP HANA is a database. In next session we will cover interview questions and answers related to the SAP HANA database architecture.